Hey guys, I am Precious for AskIfa.ng and I finally got in my hands on the TECNO Camon 12 Pro. I am super curious and excited to find out what the camera has to offer. Let's go. The Camon 12 Pro has a pretty sleek design and is 7.8mm thick. But despite the size of the phone, it is surprisingly slim and light too. I've also noticed that the bezels on the device are smaller and the device comes in a nebula gradients inspired look that reflects beautifully in light. And if you look closely, almost similar to the power button and the volume buttons, there's a dedicated red Google Assistant button at the side that allows you to interact with OK Google flawlessly. Now, let's power up the device and see what it has to offer. The phone has a 6.4-inch HD AMOLED screen display with 19.5 by 9 aspect ratio. It also runs on Android 9 Pie operating system and Octa-Core Processor. It comes with a memory of 6GB RAM and 64GB internal memory, plus 3500 mAh battery that promises fast charging speed. There's a whole lot you can achieve with that. Although I was expecting the memory to be larger, but it's still pretty much okay. Now, interestingly, it comes with a new in-screen fingerprint sensor alongside PIN, pattern, and facial unlock for maximum security. For the most interesting part of any Camon phone, that's the camera. This device features a 32-megapixel selfie camera in the notch design and also sports an AI Max triple rear camera set in 16-megapixel, 2-megapixel, and 8-megapixel. I took a couple of pictures with the front camera and they came out really nice. But the really fascinating thing about the selfie camera is the double flash as opposed to the single flash we're all used to. Nighttime video with the double flash. The triple camera at the back sports new features like the wide angle shot, super macro photos that allows you to capture the smallest details, AI graffiti that has similar features like the ones in Snapchat, and so on. Now, there's a new Helio P22 chip on the device that allows the camera activity, visual, display, gaming activity to be seamless. Plus, it supports 4G. On a scale of 10, I'll rate the phone an 8. And you can drop your own rating in the comment section right after you subscribe to our YouTube channel. Don't forget, I am Precious for AskIfa.ng.